Welcome to Prithvish Finance. And guess what? Everyone is dream. No. As we seen, we will not do any single analysis on this IPO. It's a billion brain garage venture limited is nothing but Grow app is number of thousands of YouTubers has probably made this company is Grow, where they were suggesting number of equity share, and this is a capital market based company. The GMP predictions for billion brains garage venture. I even how that will is going to growing one listing gain, or it need to be the seeding one. So by Vridvesh Finance. So we will not speak much about it. Anyways, we will give it to you the details little bit about IPO. So Grow is the symbol. It has opened on the 4th November 2025 till 7th November 2025. The price range between 95 rupees to 100 rupees per equity share. The face value RE2 equity share. Price size rupees 1. Bid lot 150 equity shares. And yes, 2 lakhs for in retail individual investors should maximum up to subscribe. And for QIB they have a range. Okay, they have how much range they have written, I can't see it. I need lens cut solution to watch my video because anyways, IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead managers are Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, JP Morgan India Private Limited, Citigroup, Global Market India Private Limited, Axis Capital Limited, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisory Limited. Sponsor bank is ICICI Bank Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So the QIB qualified institutional buyer has subscribed this Grow IPO 22.02. Non-institutional investor has subscribed this IPO 14.20, where the retail individual investor show maximum amount of interest in this IPO is 9.453. And overall this IPO has consolidated subscribed by everyone including QIB, non-institutional investor and retail individual investor around 17.60 number of totalment for the category. So suppose Grow app will means Billion Brain Garage Venture Limited will give it to you listing gain. It can give it to you 120 rupees minimum, and suppose it can 175, 180 maximum. It will not give it to you 300 or 400 rupees or 200 or 220 even. They will give it to you discount offer later on, but listing gain they will give it to you. But suppose they will not give it to you they will give it to you discount offer. It can even listed on the fixed price issue kind of thing up to 90 rupees, and it can fall around maximum it will sustain 90 to 80 rupees per equity share. I mean they will give it to you fixed price issue kind of thing, and they will sustain it. So Grow, thank you by Vridvish Finance. Grow, pick your instrument, launch the terminal analysis and execute and track it. So I believe it. They fail their own subscription. As we can see, the subscriptions has literally given a less rounded subscription.